Spring is the perfect time to do a little bit of pruning on your Bloomin' Easy plants to help them look their best in your yard this season. My name's Devon, and I'm going to take you through a few easy steps to make the most out of your Bloomin' Easy plants. Before you do any pruning, it's important to know the last frost date where you live. Simply Google last frost date Chicago, Illinois, for example. Pruning before freezing temperatures can harm or kill your plants, so play it safe by waiting to prune until after your recommended last frost date. We recommend using a sharp, clean set of pruners or loppers. You can find these at your local garden center or hardware store. Nightglow Diervilla is very easy when it comes to pruning because it's completely optional. It will reach a mature size of 2 to 3 feet in a mounding form, allowing it to fit nicely in most yards. But if you want to keep it smaller, that's totally up to you. Simply trim the stems to the desired length and you're done. Keep in mind that pruning could affect the flowers this season, since the plant must now grow new flower buds at the end of each stem. It could be 2 to 3 months before you see flowers after pruning, so leaving it may be the best option for you. Nightglow typically blooms a few times between June and fall, and when it does, it really is hard to ignore. By following these easy tips, your Bloomin' Easy plants will bring you happiness for years to come. And now, it's time to relax.